Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to unfollow a channel on WhatsApp using the desktop app on your PC with the latest update. Let's get started from the very beginning. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can see your recent chats and channels. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice a vertical menu. This menu includes your chats, status, and other options. You look for the channels icon there. It usually looks like a broadcast or megaphone style symbol. Go ahead and click on that channels icon. Once you click it, WhatsApp will show you a list of all the channels you follow. Take a moment to scroll through this list and find the channel you want to unfollow. You can move up and down until you see the exact channel name you're looking for. When you found the right channel, place your mouse pointer over it and right click on the channel. A small menu will appear with several options related to that channel. From that menu, click on the option that says Unfollow. WhatsApp will then ask you to confirm that you really want to unfollow this channel. This step is important so you don't remove channels by accident. Confirm the action and that's it. You've successfully unfollowed the channel. It will disappear from your followed channels list and you'll no longer receive updates from it. If you ever change your mind, you can always search for the channel again and follow it back. For now, you've learned how to quickly and easily clean up your channel list on WhatsApp for PC using the new update.